as one. Under your sky, drawing from the source of life, we gather and unite in the dance of the divine. In your love we find our light, our destinies combined, joined in an endless dance of love. The veil is lifted, we see the light. In you I am complete, we unite. Every heart a beacon bright. In unity our souls take flight, our spirits forever entwined. In unity I stand. Your oneness fills my soul, a deep and peaceful sight, glowing like the morning sun. I'm humbled by your light, pure presence shining through. Together we are one, immersed within your grace. The inner world ignites, illuminating hearts. As one we rise in flight, our spirits intertwined. With hearts ablaze, we shed all illusions, fears undone, eclipsed by truth. Our awakening has come. In your embrace, our souls are free, one with the cosmos in serenity. Lifted by your love, higher we soar. Hand in hand we touch the sky, echoes of the eternal in our cry. We are the whispers of the infinite, melding with the essence in pure respect.